Hello, people. Let's talk about something very important money. Not just how to spend it, because that one na cruise, but how to manage it, grow it, and make sure it doesn't finish anyhow. That's what we call personal finance. And if nobody ever taught you, don't worry. Today we'll break it down in simple Nigerian style. What is personal finance? Personal finance simply means how you handle your money from the moment you receive salary, allowance, or even small business profit to how you spend it, save it, invest it, and even protect it from bad bill expenses. That's all personal finance. Why should you care? Let me ask you, have you ever finished your salary within 2 weeks after pay or even before the salary touches your account, then started asking, how did my money vanish like that? If that sounds familiar, then yes, you need personal finance. Because if you don't plan your money will plan you. The five basic pillars of personal finance. Let's break it down into five areas. One, earning, how you they make money, whether it's your 9 to 5 job, POS business, food delivery, selling wigs or thrift. Where's online? That is your income. Goal, your goal should be to look for ways to increase your earnings, learn a skill, start a side hustle, or turn your passion into profit. Two, spending, how your money they work at this one na real wahala. From impulse buying at ShopRite to transferring 5,000 naira here and 10,000 naira there without thinking. The rule is simple. Spend less than you earn. If you earn 100,000 naira monthly and you're spending 120,000 naira, my sister, my brother, you're already in financial ICU. 3. Saving, your backup plan. You see that I just need 2,000 naira urgently moment. That's why we save to avoid hard. I know. Build an emergency fund, even if it's just 1,000 naira every week in a piggy bank, colo, local cooperative, or contributions. Start small, be consistent. It's not about big money, it's about discipline. 4.